Have you ever wondered what will happen to our solar system in the distant future? Will the sun destroy everything in its path, or will planets drift away into the cosmic void? Today, we're exploring the ultimate fate of our solar system. We'll uncover the life cycle of the sun, the journey of the planets, and what lies beyond. So, buckle up as we take a ride billions of years into the future. All right, let's dive into the story of our solar system's fate, starting with the star at its heart, the Sun. 1. The life cycle of the Sun. Our Sun is a middle-aged star, but it won't shine forever. Right now, it's burning hydrogen in its core, a process that gives off the energy we rely on. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will run out of hydrogen and begin fusing helium. This will cause it to swell into a red giant, engulfing Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. After this phase, it will shed its outer layers, forming a stunning planetary nebula. What's left will be a white dwarf, a dense, dim star about the size of Earth. This marks the end of the Sun's active life, but the story of the planets doesn't end here. 2. The future of the planets. As the Sun evolves, the planets will face dramatic changes. Mercury and Venus are almost certain to be destroyed during the red giant phase. Earth's fate is less clear. It might be consumed or just turned into a scorched, lifeless rock. Outer planets like Jupiter and Saturn will survive, but their moons could become habitable for a time. As the Sun loses mass during its transformation, the planets' orbits will expand. They'll drift farther from the Sun, making the solar system much larger. Eventually, gravitational interactions could eject some planets from the solar system entirely. 3. The end of the solar system. But what happens after the Sun becomes a white dwarf? Over trillions of years, the Sun will cool and fade into a black dwarf, an inert, cold remnant. Without its energy, the remaining planets will become frozen worlds. The gravitational pull of passing stars could destabilize the solar system. Some planets might be flung into interstellar space, while others could collide with each other. In the very distant future, the solar system as we know it will cease to exist. 4. The larger cosmic perspective. The fate of our solar system is just one small part of a much bigger picture. The Milky Way galaxy itself will undergo dramatic changes. In about 4.5 billion years, it will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. This cosmic dance will reshape both galaxies, possibly flinging our solar system into a new region of space. Ultimately, the universe's fate, whether it expands forever, collapses, or freezes, will determine the final chapter. To recap, the solar system's fate is tied to the life cycle of the Sun. From its fiery red giant phase to its quiet existence as a white dwarf, the Sun will shape the destiny of every planet. While it's a somber thought, it's also a reminder of the incredible scale and complexity of the cosmos. What do you think about the solar system's fate? Does it make you reflect on our place in the universe? Or does it inspire hope for humanity's future beyond Earth? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. And don't miss our video on the future of space exploration. It's linked right here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.